Today we will talk about another artwork by Samuel John Peploe. He studied at the Royal Scottish Academy School and then at the Académie Julian, a private art school in Paris where also Ferguson and Cadell, other two Scottish colorist painters, received their formation. Studying in France brought Peploe to be more involved in the Parisian modernist artistic circle. The similarities between the Scottish artistic group and the French avant-garde movements helped create an increased public interest in the Scottish colorist artworks in the UK. The market for these works took off from the 1920s onwards, leading Scottish collectors to invest in the work of these new artists. One of the avant-garde movements that influenced Peploe's style was Fauvism. The first Fauvist exhibition took place at the 1905 Salon d'Automne in Paris. This was a style characterized by the use of fierce brushstrokes and pure colors, as we can notice in Peploe's oil-on canvas titled Tulips and Cups, realized between 1910 and 1914. The depiction of reality and the use of naturalistic colors does not apply on Fauvist-style canvases. The emphasis on color results in the flattening of the composition, reducing the illusion of depth. In order to intensify its expressive power, complementary colors are used in juxtaposition. Therefore, the painting appears more vivid thanks to the color contrast, for example, red and green, blue and orange. The painting is also characterized by a higher degree of simplification and abstraction of the subject. Fauvism represents the very first break from the Impressionist tradition. Artists are no more interested in depicting impressions. Instead, they want to show their individual reinterpretation as an expression of the artist himself. Painting, therefore, becomes instant and instinctive. It is interesting to observe that the rapidity and expressiveness of the thick and angular brushstrokes in Peploe's still life are also loose and rhythmic. This paradoxical feeling evokes both movement and speed, stillness and monumentality.